him back. Let's see if he will let me. I got some thinner ones, but I'm afraid that he's gonna bite me though. Step up, step up. Good boy. Good boy. You can step down now. Good boy. He stepped up. He's a good boy. He just needs a little bit more work. Yeah. Yeah, I guess these gloves. I wish I had a right one. I'm right-handed and I'll have one glove with this. Step up. Okay, let me turn around. Let me see if he's gonna turn around himself. Step up. Step up. Oh. Step up. Step up. Oh, you're a smart bird. Smart birdie. You are a smart bird. Step up. Step up. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. You deserve a treat. You don't want it? Okay. Step up. Good boy. Oh, Gemma. There you go. Good boy. Step up. Step up. Good boy. Step up. Good boy. Step up. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Step up. Good boy. Step up. Step up. Good boy. Good boy. Step up. Good boy. Yeah, we're still got a little work ahead of us, but we'll see. Step up. Good boy. Step up. Step up. Good boy. You're so feisty. Good boy. Want some? Want some? Good boy. Good boy. Step up. Good boy. Step up. Good boy. Step up. Good boy. Step up. Step up. Good boy. Step up. Gemma, you be nice. Step up. Good boy. Step up. Good boy. Step up. Good boy. Step up. Good boy. So yeah, I'm just going to continue doing this for another few minutes more. I am happy with the results that he is stepping up, but he's biting me a little bit. But he's not biting me, he's biting the glove. But pretty soon we're going to get you tamed, huh? Mo. Mo. Yeah, my friend, I told her I got another cockatiel. I didn't know what to name him. She's like, you should call him Mo. I showed her a picture of him, and she said I should call him Mo, and so that's why I named him Mo. He kind of looked like a Mo. Huh. Step up. Good boy. Step up. Good boy. Step up. Good boy. Yeah, I could tell that every time he steps on my finger, he wants to go back to this perch. Gemma, on the other hand, she does it automatically. I don't need gloves. Because she's my baby, huh? Yeah, hopefully he gets tamed and I could tame him and he'll be my other baby. Yeah. I need to buy a big perch for him so they could hang out. This is the only perch I have, but I don't really feel safe them in there because it's such a small little tray that they could make a big mess. Step up, good boy. Step up, good boy. Step up, good boy. Step up, step up. Good boy, step up, step up, step up. Okay. He's only stepping up one time. Let me see. Step up. Good boy. There you go. Wow, without a glove, he didn't bite me. Step up. Good boy. Step up. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I know, Mo. I know. You're such a pretty bird. Good bird. You're such a good bird. Yes, you are. Step up. Step up. Step up. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Is he messing with you? Is he messing with you? Yeah, I'm very happy with the success that I did right now. I'm very happy about it. It gets me excited that I know I could tame him. This is the first time me taming a bird. And I think I'm doing a pretty good job at it so far. I might be doing something wrong or not, but you live and learn, you know? But the only thing I'm trying to do is to gain his trust. I have her trust. She trusts me fully. I clipped his wings for now. I live with kids that are 12 and 11, and my husband, he's like another child, and he always leaves the door open, so I don't really want them to fly away. So I wish I could grow out their wings. I know it's kind of bad not to have their wings clipped, but if you live with a family like mine, they always leave the door open. I think, you know, for their safety, I think I need to have their wings clipped. But when you first get them, I would recommend you clip their wings so that they can depend on you. Step up. Good boy. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so they could depend on you. Go to point A to point B. Yeah, I'll show you Chema's cage. I have to clean it still. I've been doing a lot of stuff in my house. And this is a Chema's cage. It has a lot of toys right now. But this is going to be Mo's cage too. And pretty soon. But this is Mo's cage for the meantime. I'm cleaning it right now. I need to put some toys in there. Might as well. He's out of his cage right now. I'm gonna put some toys in there. But yeah, I love my birds. I am very happy that I have Mo. That I recently purchased him. I know this is a long video. I'm sorry, but I made very good progress today. That's just 2 days. Yesterday I grabbed him with a towel and I put him next to my chest. Even though he was like kind of fighting it, I put him on my chest, I pet his head, and then he would start closing his eyes and liking it. But then when I kind of let him go, he wanted to fly away. But today is more progress. Yeah. Let's see with the step up again. Step up. Step up. Good boy. Okay, I know you want to get down. Step up. Good boy. See, I think when he's in this cage, Mo's in this cage, he's more territorial, and they would not let me grab him from his cage. But once you put him somewhere else out of his territorial, then he would do step up. Step up. Good. He's a good boy. Yeah. Right now, my kids are not allowed to touch him. He won't let anybody touch him, of course. But Chema looks so uncomfortable. I don't know, should I change his name? Here, Chima. I don't know. We'll see. Give me any suggestions. Is it too late to change his name? Or not, her name? But I can't see him. Because I always want him to be a boy. But it's a her. It's a her. Huh. Alright, let's try one more time. Step up. Come on. Completely step up. Step up. Good boy. Okay, now the next step to do is to continue him like a ladder with my finger. Step up, step up, step up. And then put him on the cage like 3 times, step up with my fingers. But right now, he's just allowing me to step up 1 time and put him on the perch. So hopefully, yeah. So, thank you for watching. Please comment down below. I don't know if it's too late to change Shema's name into a girl's name. I don't know. But Mo, he is so beautiful. Shema's beautiful too. Huh, Shema. But she's just really sassy. Aren't ya? Alright, well, please comment down below and see, to see if this, I don't know, your suggestions. Should I change his name, her name, or not change his name? Alright, thank you. Bye.